Happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting episode of your Daily News Flash. I'm your host, Nick, and I hope you haven't been rug pulled by your own hair today. Did you know that approximately 25 to 30% of men will show some signs of hair loss by age 30? But hey, not every man gets a meme coin dedicated to their smooth head. In crypto news, a few days ago, crypto scammers created Dollar Bald to mock Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong's smooth head. Surprisingly, the coin gained immense popularity, reaching over $20 million in liquidity within just a few days. Unfortunately, just like the swift departure of hair follicles, the developers abandoned the project, causing the coin to drop more than 90% yesterday. Let's hope investors in Dollar Bald can recover their losses and maybe consider Rogaine for their portfolios. Now, let's dive into today's headlines. Our top story today is about the housing market. Homeowners who managed to secure lower mortgage rates before the record high inflation of the past few years are now much less likely to consider selling and moving, fueling the current housing shortage. Around 90% of mortgage holders currently have rates below 6%, and about 80% have rates below 5%, while mortgage rates hover near 7% at the moment. This creates a strong incentive for homeowners to stay put, leading to a scarcity of available houses on the market. However, the homeowners with rates higher than 5% are almost twice as likely to sell their homes in the next 3 years. Roughly 41% of homeowners with rates between 5 and 5.99% are considering selling, compared to only 26% of those with rates between 4 and 4.99%. The reluctance of rate-locked homeowners to sell has serious implications for the housing market, as it affects the supply of available homes. If supply remains low, more home builders will be forced to construct new homes to meet demand. But there's a silver lining. When mortgage rates eventually come down, and these locked-in homeowners start selling, it could introduce an influx of homes to the market, potentially bringing down prices. For our stock market update, all major indices closed slightly in the green yesterday following a late afternoon rally. The Dow led the way with energy stocks showing strength throughout the session. However, today, futures are trading lower as Wall Street sifts through a barrage of corporate earnings reports. Companies like Caterpillar, Pfizer, Uber, BP, AMD, Starbucks, Pinterest, and others are among those reporting their earnings before and after the bell. So keep an eye on the market today. And now, some fun facts for the day. First up, did you know that Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg is a Swiftie? With him in attendance, Taylor Swift was the second richest person at her own show. Talk about a power duo. Ford caught a downgrade from analysts, not exactly an F grade, but a bit of a hit. We'll see how they bounce back from this one. AMC's stock shot higher yesterday, and we can't help but wonder if it has anything to do with the fallout from Barbenheimer. Young Americans are showing less trust in the stock market, leading them to turn to alternative investments like real estate. Interesting shift in investment preferences. And finally, analysts seem to be bullish on DoorDash's stock, predicting some tasty gains ahead. Maybe there's more to delivering food than meets the eye. Wrapping up our news today, artificial intelligence is taking center stage in the tech world. The latest earnings season witnessed a surge in mentions of AI during earnings calls. Companies like Alphabet, Intel, and Microsoft have been prominently name-dropping AI in their operations. It looks like AI is becoming a critical part of their business strategies, and the trend is expected to accelerate even further in the coming months. That's it for today's news. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you've enjoyed the updates on crypto, housing, the stock market, and the rise of AI. As always, stay informed, stay curious, and have a fantastic Tuesday. See you tomorrow for another News Flash update.